I will go ahead and move on to how you can integrate Cloudpager into Azure AD. So what you're seeing here is our admin portal for Cloudpager, and this is a clean out-of-box experience. So if you were to sign up for a Cloudpager tenant today, when you are given access to your tenant, this is what you're going to see. And the first step is to log in as the local administrator so you can get in and configure that single sign-on into your Azure AD. So you're greeted with the settings page here, and you have this Connect to Azure AD button. And this is going to walk you through the automated integration process to get connected to your Azure AD. If you're familiar with other softwares and configurations, you may have to manually go out and create an app registration or an enterprise app registration and go through that convoluted process of getting that configured, where instead we've just gone through and automated the entire process. So the following two screens here are just going to be provided by Microsoft. So the first screen is I'm just going to authenticate with Microsoft as my Azure AD account as the customer. And then the next screen, also provided by Microsoft, just gives a rundown of the permissions that we're requesting into your Azure AD tenant. This creates an enterprise app inside your tenant, and then it just pretty much just tells you we're requesting access to your groups and your users, so we can populate those groups and users in your Azure AD environment. And then as long as you accept these permissions with an administrator that has access to create an enterprise application and then grant consent to allow us to populate those groups and users, then you will be able to create that enterprise registration. So I'll just simply click the accept button, and then all the automation happens in the background, and we are able to integrate with your Azure AD. So we can see that we're able to populate some users in groups and return the tenant ID.